Hi! To connect your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5 to an Android phone, as a first step we would need to open Bluetooth settings and then turn the Bluetooth on. As a next step we would need to take the case with both earbuds inside and just open it. If you can see this indicator light up, that means that your headphones are charged and we can pair them. Now to turn the earbuds into a pairing mode, we would need to find this button on the right edge of the case. Here is it how the button looks, and we need to hold it until the indicator will start blinking white. Now we can release our finger and wait until our earbuds will appear on the list of available devices. But if you can't see them, you can try turn off and then turn on Bluetooth again. And here they are, Redmi Buds 5. Click on them, and after this we would need to confirm that we would like to pair our earbuds by clicking on this pair button. And this is it. You can see the battery level of your earbuds and you can enjoy your favorite music with your Redmi Buds. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.